Well, the festive period can be the straw that breaks the camel's back because people are forced into situations where they have to spend time together with people they may not like. Sometimes this is as a result of long-term issues within the relationship. They're then having to spend time with family that they'd much rather not spend time with. There's also the issue of Christmas Day. Everybody wants to spend Christmas Day with their family and not with people they don't get on with. So if they're forced to spend time with those, it can be something that they decide, actually, I don't want to continue. And New Year's, everyone makes a New Year's resolution, and it can be, actually, I'm going to sort my life out. I don't want to do this anymore. And the number of people who come in on January the 4th or soon thereafter saying, actually, I've decided that over the Christmas period and on New Year's Day that I didn't want this anymore, so I now want to get this sorted. People assume, firstly, that if they've been separated for a number of years, they automatically get divorced. There's others, such as a quickie divorce. We all hear about famous people getting divorced and it taking 10 seconds, etc. Well, actually, it's not. It's an actual court process. Everyone's followed the same process. It's about when you get in before the court. And finally, finances. A lot of people assume they've dealt with the assets of the marriage, i.e. they've sold the house, they've split the money, they've gone on their own separate ways, but unfortunately they haven't done it formally through the courts, and as such, claims against each other remain live. My advice to those who are thinking about separating or divorcing after the Christmas period is to get in early. First of all, find out what your rights are. Once you know what your rights are, you can then take the appropriate action. Once you've taken the legal advice, the next steps would be to issue a divorce petition at court and then follow the procedure there. Where there's children involved, you need to start thinking about what kind of contact is going to take place between both parents, who's going to look after the children on a more permanent basis. Also the finances, where are the children going to live, where's the home going to be. So there's many issues that you need to think about. Well, we've got a great website, so if you can go online to www.slatergordon.co.uk. Alternatively, we do have a book. It's kind of a noddy's guide for lay people, and it takes you through the steps that you need to think about when you're thinking of separating, what action you can take, and what your rights are.